Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some of my monthly favourites from the end of December and now into January. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so I've actually posted and filmed a few of these monthly favourite videos before. I filmed 3 of them, I think, at the beginning of last year before we went into lockdown. I will link them down below if you guys want to go and check those out. But I felt like during lockdown, when we couldn't really go out or do anything, I didn't really have any sort of monthly favourites that I felt like I had to share with you. So I didn't. And I feel like also we don't know what's going on with COVID and lockdown and things throughout the next few months. So I thought I would just play it by ear. If I have a month where I have things I want to share with you and that I think that you might like or might want to experience for yourself, then of course I will record it and post it out for you guys so you can see. And I've actually got quite a bit here that we have been absolutely loving, always using and obsessing over during the sort of last few weeks of December and all the way throughout January. So as normal, or not normal because I only did 3, but what I will do is split the video into categories. So I've got some books, I've got cleaning items, I've got some beauty items, and then I've also got some games as well, which I feel like might come in handy for people that are a bit bored during lockdown or need something to do. And these are 2-player games, well they can be more, but they are like two-player games as well, because I really struggled to find some 2-player games for myself and my partner to play with over Christmas. But I found a couple, and yeah, I thought I would share them with you. So I think if we start with books first then, the first book that I have is the Mrs. Hinch Activity Journal. Now I have actually shared this before last year on my favourites video, and I think it was probably a January one, but I thought I would share this again because this is an amazing book for getting organised and just sort of arranging your life and helping with tips to be able to do that. So this has weekly planners in, it has daily planners, it has activities for you to do, it has tips and habits on sort of how to keep your home clean and ways to clean it. And this book I felt like is just really good to have at the beginning of January when you're trying to sort out your home, especially with us all being in lockdown at the moment. I don't know about you, but I'm sort of organising little bits of my house, sort of like a day at a time, not doing too much each day. And then hopefully by the end of lockdown I will have a nice sort of organised house. But yeah, this is a great book. I will link everything down below if I can find it, because then if you guys want to order it or, you know, check it out for yourself, then at least you've got all the links in one place that you can go and check that out. But this is amazing. Like I said, I've had this before, but my cousin bought this again for me at Christmas, which is amazing because the one I had last year I've completely filled to the brim of notes and cleaning tips and things like that. So this was definitely needed. So thank you so much to my cousin Abby for that. That's amazing. The next book then that I want to share with you is, people are probably going to say it's a children's book, but I have started reading the Harry Potter books, and I say started because I'm like this far in. Maybe I'm about halfway. So this is the first book, the Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Now over Christmas we did watch all the Harry Potter movies, and I've watched them once before, but I really got into them this time, and my partner, he has read the books and he said, well, why don't you try reading them, because we do actually have them all. So I thought I might give it a go, and I am obsessing it. I love it so much. And like I say, we've got all the other books as well on the bookshelf, so I'm looking forward to, once finishing these, I can get started on the others. But yeah, I'm just obsessed about Harry Potter at the moment, and I know it's been like a thing for years. I'm just really late jumping on the train, but yeah, really enjoy this. And if you're wondering what this is, it is my bookmark, which is a picture of my late granddad, who unfortunately passed away a couple of months ago, and my little boy George, and I just thought it was a really cute little thing to have as a bookmark. So I don't actually have a bookmark, so I thought that was just a nice idea to use as one. Okay, so moving on to some beauty items then. The first thing that I want to show you is something again that I've been using for a really long time, but my mum got me some more of it for Christmas, and that is the Liz Earle face wash. This is the cleanse and polish, and it comes with a hot cloth cleanser as well. And I love this. I've been using this for a few years. It works really well with my skin. I am someone that probably has oily, dry skin, depending on when it is during the month and what the weather's doing outside, because our female bodies are really weird. But this is great. Again, I'll link it down below. I think it's around £15, so a little bit more expensive for a cleanser. But if it works for your skin, then I feel like it is definitely worth the money, and you only need to use like a really pea-sized amount, so it lasts a lot longer than some of these shop-bought cleansers as well. I absolutely love this. I also have some of her other products. I've got a moisturiser, I've got a toner, an eye remover, those kind of things. Eye makeup remover, doesn't just remove your eyes. So yeah, I'll link I'll just link the website down below, then if you want to go and check out any of the other products, then you can do. And another thing that I wanted to share with you guys, they're not sort of like a specific brand, but I have been obsessing over face masks, and these are the facial sheet masks. So they're quite big and flimsy, but they have just been working really well with my skin to clear up any hormonal spots, dry patches. They make my skin just feel a lot more refreshed. This is a Ted Baker one, and this one is a Scents one. This one I've used a couple of. My mum got us some for Christmas, and I found them in a shop as well. So I've been using these. These ones are enriched with licorice extract and oat protein for normal skin, and this one doesn't really say what's in it. So, but no, these are really good at just refreshing your skin, and just really good for a pamper night, which I feel like I need to do a little bit more often, especially with having a toddler. Okay, so next up then are some cleaning items. So I've got 3 things here that I have sort of not discovered over the last month, but just things I feel like I've been using a lot more. So the first thing then is this Febreze Unstoppables, and this is a fabric refreshener. I have been using the Unstoppables, what are they called? Unstoppable tablets, unstoppable softener tablets, in my washing. I've been using them for months, and I use it in this scent as well, and it just makes all our clothes, the bedding, just smell wonderful. And I saw this in B&M the other day, and I picked it up and we sprayed it all over the curtains. When I washed all the bedding, we sprayed our mattress with it and gave that a really good sort of spritz up as well. All of like the coat hooks, all those kind of things have got like big sort of bits of fabric. And our house now just smells like this, and it smells absolutely incredible. So the next product then that I have is the Cif Perfect Finish Stainless Steel 100% Streak-Free Shine Cleaner. And I am someone that's obsessed with shiny taps, and I know how pathetic that sounds, but I absolutely love this. I go through probably about a bottle of this a month. I use this to clean my kitchen sink, I use it to clean the draining board, I use it to clean the shower head, the taps in the bathroom, anything that is pretty much stainless steel and can be cleaned with this. I'm using this multiple times a week, if not daily on some of my items. But this is amazing. It is a specialist spray. It's scientifically designed to remove stubborn, dirt-like fingerprints, watermarks and grease for 100% streak-free shine on your stainless steel surfaces. So if you are pathetic as me and is obsessed with shiny taps, then give this product a try. And the next product then that I absolutely love, which is a goldie but oldie for me, is the Method Multi-Surface Non-Toxic Surface Cleaner, and this is in the scent Pink Grapefruit. I am obsessed with this. It smells incredible. This is one of my favourites. They also do a wild rhubarb flavour, a eucalyptus, an orange. They do so many different flavours, but this is most definitely my favourite, and I can use this on pretty much anything. It can be used on worktops, tiles, stone, wood and glass, so it really is a multi-surface cleaner. And it is, like I say, it is non-toxic, all sort of natural ingredients, so yeah, it is absolutely amazing. And look at the colour of that, it's incredible. They are normally a little bit more expensive than some other multi-surface cleaners, however it is such a big bottle that it just lasts so much longer than these other cleaners that you can buy, so I feel like paying out a little bit extra is better than paying out less more times a month, if that makes sense. So I would definitely recommend this. I do also have the eucalyptus one for the bathroom, so I normally stick to this for just the kitchen, dining room table, those kind of things, and then I've got a eucalyptus one as well that I used for the bathroom. Okay, so the last couple of things then that I want to show you are actually some games. Now, over Christmas, obviously we couldn't socialise, we were in tier 4. I know obviously the whole country is in like a tier 4 lockdown now, but I know some people were allowed to meet up on Christmas Day. Where we live, we had to just be with ourselves, and obviously George is a little bit young to play certain games. So I wanted to find some games that myself and my partner could play in the evening and over the Christmas period, and I found 3 that are suitable for 2 players, which is incredible because I can never seem to find games that are enough for like 2 players. You can play with more people with these, but obviously there is only 2 of us and George doesn't really understand how to play these. But we have been obsessing over these end of December and we're still playing them now through January, through lockdown. So the first one then is Skaboo. This is made by the same people who make Uno, if you've heard of Uno before, and it is just a card game that you need to get rid of your cards basically before the other person. So we absolutely love this one. We have got this, which is pick-up sticks, which I used to play as a child and I absolutely love. And they are just little wooden sticks that you put down on the table, you sort of let them fall, and you have to try and pick the sticks up without moving any other sticks. And this one is called Pass the Pigs. So you get 2 little plastic pigs that you sort of shake in your hand like they're a dice, throw them onto the table, and depending on what position they land in depends on how many points you get. But these have absolutely kept us entertained on multiple evenings throughout the last month, especially with being in lockdown, and I'm sure we're just going to continue to play them as well. So guys, that was the end of today's video. They were all of my monthly favourites. Like I said, I will link them all down below, so if you guys want to go and check them out or order them for yourself, then you've got the links down below, all in one place for you to do that. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you as a viewer, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much, bye!